Liquid nitrogen is a liquid at minus 196 摄氏度 under normal pressure. Whether it is used or transported, it should be stored in a liquid nitrogen tank. What will happen when you pour boiling water into liquid nitrogen at minus 196摄氏度? He directly carried a bucket of hot water and poured it into the liquid nitrogen, and the smoke spread instantly. It's like going back to the days when I walked in heaven.